Welcome to the second Nature-Inspired Solutions for the Built Environment Conference, NISE 2. The event is going to take place in North Cyprus on 16th of September, and this will be a conference which will build on the scientific committee's achievement last year in NISE 1 Sandpit conference that took place virtually from London. Now, the event revolves around new ways of engineering grounds to avoid disruptions in soils, biogeochemical cycles, to use new methods, materials, models that allow a new generation of ground improvement techniques that are in better symbiosis with natural ground systems, a new generation of methods that allow the ground to restore its degraded functions, to rebalance its ecosystem health provisions, to self-heal, to self-form, and organically respond to the changing environment. So the ground exists, and historically we have been exploiting the ground to provide whatever functional service we seek. In this, the ground has been undervalued and degraded. Now, NISE, Nature-Inspired Solutions for the Built Environment, invites you to talk about your contribution to ground engineering research, how you develop materials, models, new generation of methods through learning from nature, and to make better balance between natural and engineering systems. NISE invites you to talk on how new ways of management, digital and robotic technologies, and risk management can be paired with ground engineering research to make technologies actually be adopted by practice and to shape the future cities. So does it really matter? Well, it certainly does. Regardless of our discipline, our whereabouts, we all have a role to play in making the built environment that is built on or into ground or with ground as a material. We are all responsible to make it more sustainable. We need to think about ground as an integrated grand system of systems with multiple functions which go way beyond a source of heat, water, minerals, and strength. We need to think about a ground as a resilient, adaptable, and multifunctional resource. And finally, what is going to happen on 16th of September? Well, on 16th of September, you're invited to give a short 15-minute talk on your research in one of the three main themes of NICE event. And these three themes are, well, three M's: materials, methods, and models, advances in biomechanics and how these are or can be implemented in ground engineering practice, and finally risks, mitigation, risk management, management as a whole, and measures that we can put in place to make technologies more intrusive, more inclusive, practical, and of qualities acceptable by policymakers, people, the end users, and insurers. Deadline for your short abstracts are set on 1st of August 2022. You will hear back from the scientific committee and myself in a rapid turnaround. You can register online via the web link here in this slide. You can see the web link. And following your talk, you have the option to submit a full paper for possible publication. You will notice that NICE is a part of a trio of conferences that happen in September. These talks will take place in hybrid mode from North Cyprus, in North Cyprus, from a five-star NICE resort. A chance to relax, meet, talk, hear each other, and network. Finally, on behalf of the organizing committee and the scientific committee, I welcome you on board to NICE 2. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact me via my email address, which is put here in green color anytime. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in person in Cyprus.